be a beautiful soul. UK Prime Minister Johnson self-isolating after contact with COVID-19 positive MP. UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson said that he will be self-isolating for 2 weeks after coming in contact with the Member of Parliament who later tested positive for COVID-19. I am in good health and have no symptoms, he said. Johnson had tested positive for COVID-19 in March and spent 3 nights in the intensive care unit, which is ICU at the London hospital. Part of Eiffel's original staircase will be auctioned, expected to fetch up to 35 lakhs. A section of Eiffel Tower's original staircase will be auctioned by French auction house on December 1, which is expected to fetch up 35 lakhs. The staircase from 1889 was used to connect the second and third levels of the monument. A few years later, an elevator replaced the original staircase. India reports 29,164 new COVID-19 cases, the lowest since middle of the July. India has reported 29,164 new COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours. The last time the country reported less than 30,000 cases was in the middle of the July. The total number of COVID-19 cases has reached 88,74,291, while the death toll has mounted to 1,30,590, with the 449 more deaths. The total number of active COVID-19 cases stands at 4,53,401. 80-year-old man shoots at 2 men in broad daylight in Tamil Nadu. An 80-year-old man dressed in white shirt and vesti was seen shooting at 2 men in broad daylight in Tamil Nadu's Palani town, allegedly over a land dispute. A CCTV footage of the incident shows 2 men getting injured, following which a man across the road can be seen flinging a log at the shooter. A 80-year-old has been arrested. Olympic medalist working as delivery boy to generate income amid COVID-19. London Olympics fencing gold medalist Ruben Limardo has been working as a delivery boy in Poland to generate income amid COVID-19. Limardo shared his picture on Instagram and wrote, "I can proudly say that in addition to sports, I have a second job to earn a living and maintain my home. Adjusting to change indefinitely job for brave," he added. Panchtatva Park based on the therapeutic concept opens in Hyderabad. A Panchtatva Park based on therapeutic principle of acupressure was opened at Hyderabad's Indira Park on Sunday. Telangana Minister for Municipal Administration and Urban Development K.T. Ramarao tweeted, "Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation has built it. Developed at a cost of 16 lakh, the park has features like Panchtatva Acupressure Concept Walk, Infinity Walk, among others." Tramcar Library for Young Readers rolls out in Kolkata. The Young Readers Tramcar Library, probably the world's first of its kind, has rolled out in Kolkata. The West Bengal Transport Corporation teamed up with APJ Anand Children's Library for the initiative. The idea is that children should get access to read good books. The West Bengal Transport Corporation MD Rajanveer Singh Kapoor said the tramcar runs on Zambazar to Esplanade and Esplanade to Gazihazad routes. Spent childhood years listening to Ramayana and Mahabharata, said Barack Obama. Former US President Barack Obama, in his latest book, A Promised Land, has revealed that he spent his childhood years in Indonesia listening to Ramayana and Mahabharata, adding that he had never been to India before his presidential visit in 2010. Obama said that the country had always held a special place in my imagination. Video games can be good for mental health, said Oxford study. An Oxford study has claimed that playing video games can be good for people's mental health. The study used industry data on actual playtime for 2 popular video games. It said those who derived enjoyment from playing were more likely to report experiencing positive well-being. Experiences of competence and social connection through games may contribute to well-being, the study suggested. Google tool lets users know how long their photo storage will last. Google has released a new tool that gives users an estimate on when their current photo storage will run out based on personal upload history. Users can access the tool at photosgoogle.com/storage. The tool also tells users how much space is being occupied by photos, videos, Gmail and Drive. Currently, Google offers customer 15 GB of data storage free. Elon Musk explicitly wrote into SpaceX contract with Orbital Outfitter that the company's new spacesuits must look badass. Heath Ledger is the first and only actor who has won an Oscar for acting in a superhero movie. Mastiff alligator compared to humans. This alligator has killed more than 300 humans near Lake Tanganyika, Africa. The penguin swims 8,000 km every year just to meet the human who saved its life. Kishore Kishore Biyani owned Future Retail owns more than 1,500 stores and is present in 428 cities. It has annual footfall for 35 crore people and generates revenue of more than 20,000 crores annually.